Welcome DIKWP, Xiaogong aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever felt like trying to translate poetry with a dictionary? That's kind of what happens when we try to mash up traditional Chinese medicine and Western medicine. They speak different semantic languages. How do we bridge this gap without losing the soul of TCM? Enter DIKWP, a framework that might just be our Rosetta Stone. So, what is this DKWP magic? Think of it as a ladder of understanding. At the bottom data, that's the raw facts, like your blood pressure reading. Everyone agrees on the number, right? That's the same. Then comes information. Here, things get interesting. Different people look at that same data and see totally different things. The doctor sees risk factors, the patient sees their daily life impact. That's the different layer. Knowledge brings it all together into a coherent picture, like diagnosing type R diabetes wisdom. That's the deep insight, seeing patterns others miss. And finally, purpose. Why are we doing any of this? Setting a goal, like keeping HbA1c below 2%. It's not just about knowing, but doing with intent. DIKWP gives us layers to handle this complexity. Now, let's put TCM and Western medicine under the DIKWP microscope. See, TCM is a master of the information layer. It excels at seeing the unique pattern, the individual's distinct constellation of symptoms. That's its strength. Western medicine, meanwhile, often shines in the data layer with its standardized tests and the universal definitions. But how do they talk to each other? DIKWP provides the bridge. We can take TCM's rich, nuanced insights I and translate them into measurable data points D for analysis. Conversely, we can take Western medical data D and reframe it to highlight individual differences by making it more personalized. It's about creating a dialogue, not forcing one language to speak another. This way, we honor TCM's holistic view while using Western tools effectively. This dict thing isn't just about organizing thoughts. It introduces a cool idea, expression as solution. Forget just crunching numbers like old school AI. With DIKWP, the way you describe a problem, the very expression of it, already contains the seed of the solution. Think about it. If you map a patient's specific symptoms and concerns I layer onto their health goals and existing medical knowledge K layer, bam! You've got a potential treatment strategy right there. It's like Wittgenstein's language games, but with a purpose. By aligning descriptions across disciplines using DIKWP's common semantic ground, we stop playing meaningless word games and start solving real problems collaboratively. The description itself becomes part of the answer. So, where does this leave us? DIKWP isn't just an academic exercise, it's paving the way for active medicine. Imagine shifting from just treating sickness to actively managing health towards those meaningful goals. DIKWP helps build this future by ensuring every piece of data, every insight, every decision connects back to a clear purpose. It allows us to blend TCM's ancient wisdom with modern tech, creating a healthcare system that's proactive, personalized, and crucially understandable. That's the semantic revolution we're talking about.